All right, folks, welcome to 90.9, the quadratic for your open notes quiz review. Here are the answers for this quiz review. Remember, tomorrow you have your open note quiz. Today we're brought to you by Chinatown and Coffee Espresso, two fine Litchfield establishments. All right, guys, on 1 through 4, it's all about corresponding the triangles correctly. Either do big over little or little over big. So what I'm talking about here is, look at number 1. 12 is the height of the big triangle, the big right triangle. That corresponds with the height of the small triangle, which I've shaded in on all of these. 12 over x equals, it's all about the base of the big triangle, which is not 5, it's 5 plus 3, 8 over the base of the little triangle. That's how you write the proportion, then you cross multiply. We got the same type of thing here on 2. Big height over little height equals big base 31 over little base 13. Pause this at any time, because I got to move quick through this video. All right, 3's a little challenging. The height of the big guy is 12 over the height of the little guy, 8. The base of the big guy is 5 plus x. The base of the little guy is x. On 4, the height of the big guy is 13. The height of the little guy is x. The hypotenuse of the big guy is 30. Hypotenuse of the little guy is 12. Cross multiply. Simplify each radical. It's all about breaking out of jail. A pair of 2's go on the outside here. If you have 2 pairs breaking out, you multiply. 2 times 2 gives you 4. And here's the answer for root 75. Again, pause this if you need it. Here are the answers. I think your quiz tomorrow has 25 questions. 25 questions in total. All quizzes are 50 points. All right, find the geometric mean. The geometric mean is just the square root of the product of the two numbers. 20 times 4 is 80. Root 80, break it down. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 stays on the inside. 6 times 10 is 60. Break it down. 7 times 12 is 84. Break it down. 9 and 4 give you 36. Square root of 36 is 6. All right, 11 and 12, solve for, so I got mince in my mouth. 11 through 14, solve for x. Little base over big base equals little right side over big right side, 3 plus x. Cross multiply, get your answer. Little base over big base equals little left side over big left side. Cross multiply. 7 over x equals 5 over 8, or you could do x over 8 equals 7 over 5. 7 over 5 equals x over 8. You get the picture. Same thing here. 5 over 14 equals x over 9. 5 over x equals 14 over 9, so forth. All right, rounds to the nearest 10th. Then I believe this is the final page. It's all about the altitude on the hypotenuse. So, altitude to the hypotenuse. And on it, both on and to. All right, anyway, height squared is one part of the hypotenuse times the other. Break it down. Leg squared equals the whole hypotenuse times the part of the hypotenuse that touches that leg. Break it down. Leg squared equals the whole hypotenuse times the parts of the hypotenuse that touches that leg. Square root of 16 is 4. Height squared, remember the height's always on the inside. The altitude's on the inside going from right angle to right angle. Height squared is one part of the hypotenuse times the other. Get a nice decimal there. Solving for x and y, you have 3 of these tomorrow. Let's solve for x first. Height squared is one part of the hypotenuse times the other. Again, you guys should know how to break down root 32 for root 2. Then you get leg squared is the whole hypotenuse times the part it touches. Let's solve for x. Height squared is one part of the hypotenuse times the other. Break it down. Leg squared is the whole hypotenuse, which is 15, times the part it touches, which is 10. 15 times 10 is 150. 25 and 6. 25 is 5 and 5. 5 root 6 there. Here, you got to figure out what x is first. So height squared, 12 squared, is 9 times x. You get 16. That means the whole hypotenuse around a room. The whole hypotenuse is 25. So leg squared is the whole hypotenuse. 16 plus 9 is 25. Times the part of the hypotenuse that touches that leg. 9 square root of 225 is 15. X squared, both on legs. X and y are both legs. The whole hypotenuse is 5. X squared is leg squared is equal to the whole hypotenuse 5 times the part it touches. Root 10 is just it. And then y squared is the whole hypotenuse 5 times the part it touches 3. Square root of 15 is your answer there. 90.9 the quadratic, signing out.